Hi everyone, welcome to Amy Learns to Cook. In the kitchen today, we have the KitchenAid Stand Mixer, and we have a brand new attachment. This is the brand new ice shaver. This came out only a couple weeks ago, and we have one in the kitchen. We're gonna try it out today. So join us. Let's make some fluffy shaved ice in the KitchenAid Stand Mixer ice shaver. Okay, so this is the brand new ice shaver, and this is supposed to make fluffy shaved ice, so we're going to be trying that out. It has two different blades, a coarse and a fine, and a lot of people say use the fine, that makes the fluffy shaved ice. So here we go. I already opened this because I had to take the little pucks out of there to freeze them so we have something to shave. So it comes with a manual of how to use it. Here's your pucks. Your pucks are in here, but obviously I took them out. This looks like a little, like the base of it maybe, fine.
It has a shaver? Does it have a blade in it?
I don't know what it has in it.
Oh.
And here's our ice shaver. So let's see. So it has some tape on it. So this is pretty interesting. So when I was a kid, I used to love shaved ice. We used to go like to the carnival and stuff.
Snow cones!
Yeah, snow cones. Shaved ice is a little bit different. So you have this base. Here's where the blade is, down there. You have this little cup. I guess the cup goes in there. And then, I don't know, I gotta look at the directions really quick. Here's the motor part, and we're going to put this on here. Well, not the motor, but there we go. And it's gonna go like that. This is the KitchenAid Professional 5 Plus. This is a bowl lift, but this supposedly works with all the KitchenAids, even if you have an older one. So, let me wash this up. Let me go grab the pucks and I'll show you how the ice works, and then we'll get to shaving. Okay, so this ice shaver comes with these pucks. And you want to put either your water or whatever, juice or whatever you're going to use to shave in the pucks, and you're going to freeze them. It took like all day to freeze one of these.
8 hours minimum.
Yeah, so I froze one batch, and this is lemonade. I just used some Simply lemonade so it will taste a little more kind of like fresh squeezed. So I have raspberry lemonade in these, and the puck just has this lid on it, and there's your thing. So you have to kind of give it a push and a squeeze, and it supposedly pops out. Whoop, there it goes. So this is what your puck looks like. I don't know if you could order more pucks, just freeze them and then bag them. So you'll have them. It's like push the bottom and then push the sides. Whoop, and they pop out. Just like that. Push the bottom. I don't know. Some of them are kind of hard to get out.
Kind of like unpotting plants.
Something.
Hug and squeeze and push.
It's loosening. Ah! Have the kids do this part. Ah, my hands are cold. Scares me when it drops out. It's pretty sticky. So let me quick wipe my hands. You need to temper these for 10 minutes, so they got to sit out and kind of get the air for a minute. So tempering them for 10 minutes. We're gonna muddle real quick. I made some simple syrup. We're gonna muddle some of my peppermint that we're growing outside. I have some over here, and we're gonna do that for a little flavoring. So Farmer Ebu, he brought his peppermint in here. We don't normally do that. We harvest it outside, but it was raining something fierce.
And I didn't know what leaves she wanted. So this is her choice, right? Smell.
It's minty.
Minty. How many leaves did you want, Boo-Boo?
Maybe 5.
So yeah. Is that enough for you, baby?
Yep. So I'm gonna muddle these, and it's just basically, I probably should put a little bit of sugar in here. Can you give me a little bit of sugar, Bill? I'm just gonna put a little sugar in there. The reason I'm doing that is because I need something that's gonna be abrasive to break this up. This is simple syrup. I basically made like 1 cup of water, 1 cup of hot water, and I put a cup of sugar in there and let it melt.
So by breaking up the leaves, it's going to help release the juices and aroma and flavor. Because when I picked them, they smell pretty tasty.
Okay, let's do some shaving. Okay, to put this together, you're gonna put your blade. We're putting the fine blade on here. It was kind of hard to figure out how to put this on. You want where the screw is, and this, it goes in here and twists. You're gonna put the sleeve on here. And so we're gonna go ahead and put one of our pucks in here, and you're gonna put it so this indentation from the puck is upward, okay? And then we're gonna go ahead and put this on. So this thing rotates, you're gonna rotate it where there's a thing in here showing this is up. So you rotate it to that. We're gonna line this up to the arrow. We're gonna lock it in, and then we're gonna move this down where it's down, which it won't go all the way down.
Maybe it's spring loaded, who knows? I don't know.
Oh yeah, it's spring. So we're gonna crank this up to high. Woo, it is fluffy. Look at that. Wow. I'm going to go ahead and put one of our pink pucks into here. Raise that up. Put in the pink puck. Lock it in. And let her rip.
Spring load.
Oh, I got to move the spring back.
There you go.
Wow! Look at that. Come on over, Boo. Okay, so I'm going to give you this pink. And I made a little syrup on here. I couldn't get any local, so we just made simple syrup with a little bit of
Food coloring.
food coloring. But you could just use Kool-Aid. A lot of people just use Kool-Aid.
Kool-Aid's an effective way to do it.
I have mine. I'm going to drizzle over the simple syrup with the peppermint. Woo!
Apparently it's not cold enough.
That's okay.
So.
Ooh, it's fluffy.
Melts in your mouth.
It totally does. This is totally like Carnival's shaved ice.
Just make sure whatever syrup you got is at least refrigerator cold, if not a little colder.
So it also has a coarse blade. I like this one.
Yeah. My mouth is in cold. How's my tongue? Is it red yet? No.
So what do you give the KitchenAid Stand Mixer Ice Shaver?
Now this was a coarse blade.
This is the fine.
Oh, this was fine?
I put too much syrup in mine.
It's not as smooth as Margaritaville, but it's also a lot cheaper. It's a ton cheaper.
I like it.
I think it did a really good job.
I think it would be fun for your kids. I think it's a fun attachment. So give it a thumbs up. So we're going to go enjoy some shaved ice. Thanks for joining us.